Good morning, dear student. We have entered in the next chapter, and it is really important because all the theory and theory base of accounting we are going to understand it, and it is really conceptual for you. And how accounting is a science you will learn here. It is not a kind of thing anyhow you can record the things. As we discussed earlier, that accounting is concerned with recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, analyzing all the financial nature transactions. Or the thing was there, monetary event, financial event, economic event. So how can we record it? Is there any rules? Is there any regulations, principles? Is there or not? Actually, why we are going to follow these things? Because accounting information, financial information should always be reliable. If it is not reliable, no one is going to believe on that one. Suppose a company has given a fake report. It has shown that it has earned a profit of 80%, but its actual profit is only 10%. When the users of accounting will know about these ones, next time they will not rely. So what is important, that all the information that is going to be shared should be reliable, and if it is reliable, then you can compare with it from other companies of the same industries. So what is important, that it should be reliable and it should be recorded in the manners and the rules that is prescribed. Why rules is there? Because if there won't be any rules, there won't be any consistency, isn't it? It may be possible that there are different industries. For example, telecom industries has a different accounting, and FMCG has different accounting process, and educational trust has different accounting records, and you can say manufacturing sector different accounting. So I'm talking about financial information. If it will like that, it will very problematic to analyze the information that will be shared by these industries later on. So there should be a rules. If there is a rule, then everyone will follow that rule, and the information will be the same based on the rule. So is there any regulatory body? Yes, in India, there is an institute called ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. They are the regulatory body, and they fix all the standardization related to accounting policies in our country. Although there is also a different regulatory bodies over the over worldwide. One more thing is there, a few principles we are going to discuss here is, first of all, many times you will learn the word GAAP. It is only generally accepted accounting principles. What are those? It refers to the rules or guidelines adopted for recording and reporting of financial transactions. These rules are also called principle, convention, concept, modifying principles, assumption, etc., etc., etc. What I told you just starting at the of this video, there are some rules and it is required to be followed. So there are various kind of basic accounting concept, and those person who are going to record these financial information should aware of that. Otherwise it may be possible that they have recorded as it differently, or it may not be present the true and fair view. It is the main purpose for accounting. And various concept as named as business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern, consistency, matching, revenue recognition, conservatism approach, materiality concept, dual aspect concept. So there are different kind of concept available regarding this one, and you have to understand all these rules, all these concepts for maintaining a complete and exact accounting information. So first I would like to explain you, let us start with that one, very first concept, if you can aware of that. While in the keyword the first word was there, entity, if you can remember, and I told you for the dictionary meaning, when you will refer to that, entity means existence. So as the if you will write the complete concept like business entity concept, I think you can also understand that just replace entity with existence. Now what you have written or what you have got in your mind, what words are there, you can see business existence concept. Yes, it is very important concept for the person who are going to record accounts. As you can see here, business entity concept itself explain that business existence concept. And what is explained in this concept? According to this concept, business is totally different, separate from its owner, its member, proprietor, etc. For example, Mr. Atharv has started a business in the name of Atharv and Company. Only the name is there, okay? Atharv and Company. And Mr. Atharv has invested 5 lakh rupees in the business named Atharv and Company. So, where you are going to account, record financial transaction. The name of business is here Atharv and Company. Although economical financial transactions, monetary transaction can be recorded anywhere, but you are going to learn bookkeeping. Okay, so we have to keep in mind the enterprises, the business organization in which the transaction has actually been occurred. So according to this concept, Atharv is different and Atharv and Company is different. Okay, it is explained here. So a business is totally different. One general thing I would like to share with you. It may be possible or it may not be possible. I told you accounting is a total practical approach. It may be possible once you have been traveled with auto and you have given 100 rupees to auto wala for fare. Auto wala has change in his shirt's pocket of 100, but not in the pocket of the auto that is maintained to pay to keep general fare. What auto wala has done there? Auto wala has just taken 100 rupees, kept in his shirt's pocket, now counted 100 and kept in the money box or the pocket that is attached in auto, and from there he has paid you or returned you the rest amount. Why it has actually been happened? It may you can also sometime confusion may arise there, irritation may arise there, why you are wasting my time. But actually auto wala and auto is two different things. Until if the auto wala will merge his money with that uh, pocket of Otto, he won't be able to find out the exact amount that he has earned. So again, Otto, his business is different and the owner is Ottowala is different. So this type of concept is available there. It is only starting concept. Various concept you will find. So keep revising the things and keep learning the things. It is really interesting. You are going to have, when you will learn all these concept, then we will enter in journalizing. Okay, till then, revise the thing. Take care. Goodbye.